Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify username. So without wasting any more time, let's get dive in. So first of all, you have to head over to your Spotify account. You have to go to your Spotify, then at the left corner, the top right left corner, here you can see this your profile icon. You just have to tap onto your profile icon, and after going there, here you have to tap onto view profile, and after clicking onto view profile, you will see this option called edit. You just have to simply tap onto edit, and after clicking on edit, you can edit your name. So first of all, make me clear you that Shopify does not allow to change your actual username which you used while you log into Spotify, but however you can change your name which people can see, like other users see my name as Joseph. You can change this name into Peter Parker or any other name you wish to choose, and then after changing it you can tap on to save, and it will be saved as your new username. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.